Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. Open Network for Digital Commerce is a private non-profit company established by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade of the Government of India to develop open networks for e-commerce. It was founded in April 2022. It is basically a network of a number of small and large-scale e-commerce players which aims towards breaking the dominance of firms like Amazon and Flipkart in India. This open network will allow local commerce across important segments like grocery, food delivery, hotel booking, travel bookings, and more to be discovered and engaged by any network-enabled app. An example is if both Amazon and Flipkart integrate their platforms with ondc, a user searching for a coffee machine on Amazon would also see results from Flipkart on the Amazon app. The ondc is already running its pilot program in 5 cities in India: Bengaluru, New Delhi, Coimbatore, Bhopal, and Shillong. It aims to reach around 100 cities by August and open it to a wider public in the current 5 cities. The program is currently in the beta testing phase with only 5 sellers and a limited set of buyers. ondc targets to raise e-commerce reach in the next 2 years to 25% of India's consumer purchases from 8% currently in a country of over 1.35 billion people. Currently, more than 60% of India's e-commerce market is controlled by Amazon and Flipkart, which will change if ondc becomes successful in achieving its target. Customers will be able to access sellers on ondc through any app that is integrated with the network. Sellers will handle deliveries through the tie-ups with logistics firms. ondc will also have services like ledgers and payment processors for sellers. Thank you.